Hi everyone. Earlier you heard the read aloud The Day the Crayons Quit by Oliver Jeffers. And now we're going to play a little comprehension game about the crayons, and I'm going to see if you remember which crayon is which. I'm going to read a clue and you're going to take a guess at which crayon you think is speaking. Okay, so let's do the first one. All right, here's my clue. This crayon thinks that he works harder than any other crayon. He has a color that all Santas at Christmas need. Let's think about that. Which crayon would that be? This crayon thinks he works harder than any other crayon. He has a color that all Santas need at Christmas. Pause your video if you need to think. Red, yeah, that was red crayon. He's the color of Santa that we use. All right, are you ready for the next one? Okay. This crayon is upset because he isn't even in the rainbow. He fills in the empty space between things. Which crayon color is not even in the rainbow? You're right. White crayon. White crayon isn't even in the rainbow and doesn't even show up on the paper. Okay, here's the third one. This crayon wants Duncan to stay in the lines when he colors. He is also the favorite crayon for dragons and wizard hats. Which crayon gets upset with Duncan because he's not coloring in the lines and is the favorite color for dragons and wizard hats? Pause your video if you need to think. Yep, purple crayon. Purple crayon. All right, number 4. This crayon hates being used to draw the outline of things that are colored in by other crayons. Which crayon hates being used to make the outline of things, but then those things get colored in by other crayons? What do you think it is? Black crayon? Yep, black crayon makes the outline. All right, the next one. This crayon is proud of his color, but he is tired of being called light brown or dark tan. I got this one. Duncan, it's your friend beige crayon. Yep. All right, here we go. Are you having fun? I am. This crayon is very happy with his workloads, and he enjoys being used to color dinosaurs and frogs. Which crayon is it? Dinosaurs and frogs are usually green crayon. Green crayon. Next, this crayon is tired of being used to color big animals. He wants to be used more for small things like pebbles and rocks. Which crayon would that be? Think for a minute. Gray crayon. Yep, gray crayon. He hates being made coloring for elephants and whales, and he'd rather Duncan color small things like pebbles and rocks. All right, and our last clue. This crayon feels that he is the color of the sun and that he is no longer speaking to the orange crayon. Oh, remember? This crayon was fighting with orange crayon, and they were not speaking because they were arguing over which one is the color of the sun. Did you get it? Yep. Yellow crayon. Yellow crayon and orange crayon are arguing. That was pretty funny. My favorite part of the book, actually. Now here comes the next part of what we're going to do today. You are going to be doing a small writing response about orange and yellow crayon. And what your writing piece is going to be about is you need to tell us whether you think that orange is the true color of the sun or whether yellow is the true color of the sun. And you need to explain why you think that. Why would orange be the better color for the sun? Or why would yellow? Or maybe both. Well, happy writing! I can't wait to hear your responses. Remember, if you want, you can use your journal to write your answer, or you can just write on other lined paper. Okay? Thanks.